After a quick adventure to the mountain, it was time to get back to my family and enjoy the abundance of what is happening around the homestead. Everything is growing and thriving right now in this warm weather, and at least it's not too hot yet, and the mosquitoes are not going to completely carry me off. Adding a high quality topsoil to the garden was an excellent choice. The new plants that we planted are thriving and growing so well, and we plan to add another load to the other end. And hopefully this year we'll even get some good vegetables out of it. At the grocer's this week, they had pork on sale: pork loins, pork chops, pork steaks, pork sausage. And so I stocked up. And that's what we're going to enjoy for meals this week. I don't mind having a theme and cooking similar items, especially when it makes for easy choices. And I know that I can whip up something tasty and easy for the family to enjoy. Slow cooked green beans are always a good thing, and they're so easy to make. I enjoy my slow cooker and actually use it probably at least once a week to prepare a meal for my family that I don't have to put too much work into. These are so easy to make. Now I'm using fresh green beans, but certainly you could use frozen or even canned if you need to really cut some corners. I just trim off the ends of the fresh green beans after they've been rinsed. Add those to the crock pot, along with plenty of seasonings, a white onion, and whatever seasonings I choose, and some smoked meat. It always turns out delicious. Here in the South, we always throw in a few potatoes as well. I don't know why we do this, but it certainly is a nice accompaniment. Six hours later, I served these with some well seasoned and seared pork steaks, and it was really very good. I love having fresh flowers in the house, but I just cannot make myself pay the cost of a bouquet at the grocery store. It's just too much. And so over the years, we've cultivated a few bulbs and cuttings around the house so that I can have a few things here and there to make a nice arrangement throughout the year. I know at certain times of the year, most stores will sell flower bulbs. And even if you don't have an outdoor space, grab yourself a flower pot from the Dollar Tree and some soil and a few flower bulbs when they go on sale, and see if you can cultivate a few bulbs for yourself to have a small cutting garden on your windowsill. This year, I had some volunteer kale come up. We planted it last year and it returned, and we don't really like kale to eat, so I just let it grow, and now I'm cutting it to use as filler greenery. I'm going to also add some rosemary to create a beautiful and fragrant bouquet. Friends, I hope however your summer is going, it's going well, and that you're living life in exactly the way you want to. Take care.